Gusto mo ba ng affordable na bahay na accessible sa lahat? Dito sa Lanelo Heights, General Trias, Cavite, swak na swak sa budget mo. Lanelo Heights offers single-attached homes na affordable at perfect for your family with a lot area of 66 square meter and floor area of 49 square meter. Complete turnover. May 2 bedroom and 1 toilet and bath. Perfect pang pamilya, di ba? At higit sa lahat, may balcony pa! Reservation fee, 20,000 lang at may 3 financing option ka pa. Pag-ibig financing, in-house financing, bank financing, kaya madali kang makakahanap ng plan na swak sa budget mo. Affordable homes, prime location at flexible financing all in one. Message na! I'm Rose Rogacion, your property specialist. Follow for more!